Talise, or Tilly, whatever you want to call me. Today we're going to be doing a makeup tutorial. Alright, so what we're going to be using most of today is concealer and eyeshadow. Here they are, right here. See, this is the concealer I will be using. And here is the sponge. Alright, and here are the two eyeshadows. Don't they look so amazing though? And it says right here, hard heart candy. So if you want to know, just look for that. Okay, because these are really great colors, and I'll tell you which color palette I'm taking it off of before I put it on. All right, cool. So let's start. All right. So first you get this, and then you take the cap off, and then if it fits, you put it down here, but it doesn't fit. So sadly, we have to set it down. Okay, so we're gonna set the sponge like right next to us, so that way we know that we'll be in reach. Okay, so first you want to put some on your face. Now if it doesn't match your face color, don't worry, because you can always make your eyebrows darker. Alright? Alright! First you start on the chin. And you look yellow and green at first, but that's what you want to get. You want to look yellow and green. Alright, so now that you've got what I call a tiny beard, you put it on here. Put it on this sponge. Alright, and then you like this. And you spread it. Now don't say that I look like Trump, because I don't look like Trump. See, now you have a goatee. And you want the whole bottom half done before you are. So, this is fast forwarded to what you will look like. Alright? Now, I promise you, you do not look green. Alright? You look amazing. Everybody is going to want to date you. Alright? Featuring cats. This is sponsored by cats. Alright, so next we're going to use the eyeshadow. Now, I'm going to start with highlights. Alright, so you want to get this one right here with the purple, with the lace. And then you want to go for the one that's, oops, I picked the wrong one. That is close to in the middle, the really, really white one. Now this is if you're me. If you're not me, I'm sorry. So next you put it on places where the light will hit you most. So like on the top of your nose. And then other places. Doesn't this look so amazing? Can't even see the difference. And that is what you want. When you can see the difference, you know you put too much on. Now trust me, I'm a very good painter. So, you see, you put it on your nose, and then you want to suck in your cheeks and put it on your cheekbones. Alright, now we're going to fast forward this in 3, 2, 1, and we're back! Alright, so I put some on my forehead, as you can tell, and then I also put some on my cheeks, in my chin, and on my nose, and then on my cheeks. You can see it a little bit, but not too much, which is what I'm trying to tell you. Alright, so next we're gonna do, I believe it's called contour. What a fancy word! It's like, so it's dark, and like, so highlights are like this, and then contours like this, so you want to have like volume and stuff to your face. Alright? We're gonna continue doing highlights later if you're not satisfied. Alright, so we're gonna pick something that's like your skin color, but a bit less, but remember, it has to match your concealer. Okay? Alright, so, next we get this one. The pink one with the little black diamonds. Is that so cute? Alright, so we pick, like, sometimes you want to mix and match. So, like, you get a little bit of, like, this pinkish one right here, like this pinkish orangish one. And, like, it's, like, towards the end next to a purple and a glitter something. And you put it on your face. Okay, so you get it. And you're going to try to wipe off all of the white that you had. And you suck in your cheeks again. And you put it under. Alright. And you continue putting it under. And then you put it on the other cheek. Like so. Alright, and then you put it on your nose, like on the sides. So that way it looks thinner. If you can, suck in your nose. It makes it all all so much easier. You wouldn't even get it. If anybody knows how to do that, comment and like send me a link down below. Alright, so we're gonna have to work on this just a bit. So we're gonna do another transition. Ready? 3, 2, 1. And we're back again. Okay, so I ended up having to use 2 more colors. I'm sorry, guys, but it worked out. Don't you see? At least for me. I know that it worked out. It certainly did. You could see it all. All right.